Welcome to Asynt. Today I'm with Mike.
Hi Martin.
How are you doing?
I'm very well, thanks. And yourself?
Good, good. We thought we would do something slightly different. So we're sort of ad hoc going to talk about Vacuubrand and why we sell it, and gives you a bit of an insight into our ethos at Asynt and about selling quality products, really. Is the key thing.
Most definitely, and what better example than Vacuubrand, one of the leading manufacturers of pumps with a particular kind of focus and expertise on chemistry, chemical applications. How long have you been working with Vacuubrand for now, Martin?
More than 20 years.
Very nice.
So a long time.
Before I joined Asynt, when I was at Bath, I had Vacuubrand products, and they never let me down. I was always very happy with them, their performance.
So, what was the key thing for you at Bath? Why were they the pump of choice?
I think for us, the fact that you can more or less throw anything at them, the insides of, for example, the MD1C Vario, everything's chemically inert, so it's great for rotary evaporators, applications like that. And, you know, servicing pumps, these things last for years and years, decades. Being able to service them yourself as an end user, just needing a single Allen key.
Maybe we should run a video of how to quickly change the diaphragms in this pump.
Definitely, yeah. I think that would be quite useful. Yeah.
Not that you need to very often. It should be a good 5 years continuous service normally of one of these before you need to start looking at any maintenance at all. But it is ever so easy.
Yeah. And I think it's important from us on the Asynt side of things to make sure that the supplier products that we offer match the quality and ethos behind our dry syn range.
Yeah, I think that's just it. We don't compromise with any products. We've got a new.
Can't show that one, Martin.
No, you can look at this one. This is our new Octo Mark II, and the finish quality. We're pretty insistent that the engineering we put into things is top notch, and with no compromise. And it goes exactly the same way, doesn't it, for products we're reselling that we don't manufacture, such as Vacuubrand. We don't sell any other pumps as a matter of course, because we know that with these we're offering the ultimate performance for chemists, and reliability, longevity. It's just proven.
What more could you say? I mean, it's
proven.
Fantastic.
Oh, that's a sip of tea. My nice Asynt mug.
Got my Liverpool mug after the 5-0 thrashing of Atlanta last night.
So let's have a look. Let's just do a quick video of how to disassemble it.
Okay, so I've got the pump here ready for servicing. All you need is a single Allen key, and to begin with we unplug this cable, unscrew the grey part, unscrew the black part, and now place the pump on its back, and we just need to remove the 6 Allen key bolts like so. Okay, once the bolts are all loosened, this will simply lift off like so. Often all that's needed for maintenance is a new flapper valve, and these just sit on the diaphragm like so. They simply sit on, that's all you have to do, and they'll line up with grooves in the diaphragm. So if you were just changing the flapper valves, then at this stage we just reassemble everything. But after many, many years, you might find that you need to replace the diaphragms themselves. And to do this, they simply lift out like so. And to replace them, of course, you just pop the new ones in. Now we can just screw everything back together. So similar to torquing up the cylinder head of a car, you torque all these down oppositely, so you'll do this one a little bit, then this one next, that one, like so, and you just rinse and repeat that until it's fully torqued up, hand tight. Okay, now we can place the pump back on its feet. Simply tighten this, hand tight, attach the grey part and tighten that, again, hand tight, and clip in the cable, and that's it. You've fully serviced your Vacuubrand pump.
So I think people can now see it's so easy. When you do, after several years of use, need to do some maintenance, it's all
super simple.
Super simple. You can do it yourself.
And as always, if people do have any questions, always feel free to give us a call. We'd be more than happy to run through it.
Well, the other thing to consider is, certainly here in the UK, where we're reselling most of the Vacuubrand, is we do offer a service where we can go in and spend a day with a customer, go through all of their Vacuubrand pumps, check they're all working okay, maintain any. So we can often do 20 or 30 pumps in a day, getting them up and running, back as good as new. It doesn't cost a lot of money. You can get us to come and do that for you. So it's another option we provide for customers.
Yeah, definitely. You know, installing systems. If you recently bought a pump and maybe a rotovap and a chiller from us, we're more than happy to come in and set that up as well.
Cool. But yeah, I think we really love selling Vacuubrand. We want our customers to be happy with every product we sell. So if they come to us at Asynt, we're only providing good tools for the job, quality tools for the job.
Definitely.
Brilliant.
Perfect. Okay. Well, cheers, Martin. It was nice to have a little chat with you about Vacuubrand.
Yeah, thank you. That's good. And thanks everyone for watching. Please do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. If you want to find out more about Vacuubrand, if you want to talk to Mike or one of the other sales team, just drop an email to
inquiries@asynt.com.
Brilliant. Cheers. We'll see you soon.
See ya.
Bye bye.